Kelly's going to demonstrate this week's postcard. It's already addressed and stamped for you. And in your kit, you have several things. You'll need to add paper towels and a little container of water to your kit. I suggest working on a placemat or some kind of other surface that can be easily cleaned up. You're going to draw with your crayons first, and for crayon resist to work, you'll want to push fairly hard with the crayons, and as you watch Kelly, you'll even see one of her crayons actually breaks, and that's okay. You can still color with a broken crayon. After you're done drawing with your crayons, you'll want to wet down your postcard with some water. And as you watch Kelly, she kind of dabs it on, and that gives sort of a mottled appearance to her postcard at the end, and it looks really cool. So that's one way you can do that. Another way is to actually saturate the postcard pretty much. Don't get too crazy with the water because then you'll make the address on the other side bleed through. But do definitely get your postcard fairly wet so that when you put the marker on there, it bleeds like a watercolor would normally do. So you'll get your postcard wet, and then you're going to take your baggie and you're going to color on the baggie. Kelly chooses to color with one color at a time. I've seen it done several different ways. If you want a bigger baggie so you can make a different kind of pattern, you are certainly welcome to do that. You can actually use anything plastic. So you color on the plastic, and then you take it and turn it upside down and press it on top of the wet postcard and watch the colors transfer and bleed, and then you can repeat that as necessary or as you desire. And then when it's all dry, you turn the postcard over and write a message to one of our friends at the care centers here in town. So residents or staff or both. Thank you so much for doing this postcard. I know that everyone will really appreciate receiving these at the care centers here in Sheraton.